Hi, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. As part of properties of triangles, we are solving some examples, applying concepts whatever we have learned about law of sines, law of cosines, and other formulas. So let's write down here what is law of sines formula, which may be useful here. We'll say A equal to 2R into sine of A. Okay. So let's go ahead and solve this. Now I have to prove that sigma of a square into sine of b minus c by sine of b plus sine of c equal to 0. We can solve this problem in two ways. What we can do is we can expand sine of b minus c and make it as sine of b cos of c minus cos of b sine of c. Then substitute values of sine of b is equal to b by 2r, and cos of c is nothing but law of cosines formula, that is a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. You apply those formulas, you can do that. Another way of doing it is, what I will do, I will keep one a and I will convert another a into 2r sine a. So that's nothing but 2r into sine of a into sine of b minus c divided by sine of b plus sine of c. Now we are not going anywhere with this a, but what I know is that a is nothing but equal to pi minus of or 180 minus of b plus c, and sine of a is nothing but equal to sine of b plus c, because sine is positive in first and second quadrants. So I can write it as, I can bring 2r out because it's not going to make any difference. Sigma a into, can I say this as sine of b plus c into sine of b minus c by sine b plus sine c. Now I will go to the next step where I will use the formula sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, that is sine of a minus b is equal to sine square a minus sine square b. We know that formula, I can leverage that. So what I will do now, I will say this is nothing but equal to 2r sigma, that is sigma a into, this is nothing but sine square b minus sine square c by sine of b plus sine of c. Now I cannot simplify this, but if I convert it back into sides into small b, if I am able to do, I should be able to get it. So what I will do, I will write sine of b is nothing but equal to b by 2r and sine of c equal to c by 2r. Can I write that? Yes. So sine square b, what it will become? B by 2r whole square minus c by 2r whole square divided by b by 2r plus c by 2r. So that's nothing but equal to 2r into sigma a into, if you see here, this is nothing but, I will write it down here otherwise so that it's clear, this is nothing but sigma a into b square minus c square by 4r square by b plus c by 2r. And if you remember, I have one 2r already with me. Okay, right. So what happens now if I simplify that? A into b square minus c square by b plus c is a into b minus c, and this 2r will go up you will have 2r into 2r. This is b square minus c square by 4r square. Okay, let me write that step. I will not confuse you. So I will say a into, I will keep the 2r at the as it is, a into b square minus c square by b plus c is b, I will write it as it is, b square minus c square by 4r square into 2r by b plus c. That's nothing but equal to sigma. I'll bring 2r also inside, into a into b minus c into 2r by 4r square. This cancels out. You will have sigma of a into b minus c. That's nothing but equal to 0. Why? Because sigma of a into b minus c, sigma of a into b minus c is nothing but equal to ab minus ac plus b into c minus a, bc minus ba plus c into a minus b, ca minus cb. You can see that all of them cancel out and you will end up with 0. So that's how we can solve this problem. Another way how you can do that is you can substitute, we can do that too. What we can do is I'll just start this so that you can try it out. What I will say now is I'll say a square as it is and sine of b cos of c minus cos of b sine of c divided by sine of b plus sine of c. Now you can substitute sine of b equal to b by 2r and cos of c equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, and you simplify that, you will again go back to the same thing, that is sigma of a into b minus c, that's nothing but equal to 0. So I'll catch you in the next video where we will solve some more problems. These are intermediate level problems. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.